Hi, I'm Bugumil and welcome to Three.js Crash Course. I've been working in the web development and 3D graphics for quite some time, and I'm passionate about helping others unlock the creative potential of 3D web design. In this crash course, we'll quickly cover the essentials of Three.js by building a Minecraft-inspired terrain. By the end of the course, you'll know how to set up a 3D scene, creating texture objects and build interactive elements within a Minecraft-like world. We will walk away with a real working project and the foundational skills needed to explore more advanced 3D web design. In this course, you'll learn how to set up a 3D scene using Three.js, build and texture blocky terrains, apply interactive camera controls, and use lighting and shadows for added realism. This course is perfect for web developers, JavaScript enthusiasts, and anyone curious about building interactive 3D worlds. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your web development toolkit, this course offers a hands-on, engaging experience to bring your ideas to life. Ready to get started? Enroll now in the Three.js Crash Course and begin building your own 3D world today. Let's unlock your creativity and take your web design skills to the next level.